Hello everyone. In Stackby, you not only see information in a table, you can also configure into different views. So you can create a Kanban view, a calendar view, even create custom forms, or even see it in a gallery. So today we are going to talk about the Kanban view. If you already have single option drop-downs configured in your table, like this, you can then create a new view, the Kanban layout. So we have already created two different views. So we have already created a Kanban view by stages and by the deal source. So let's go to the deal stage view. So it will automatically take a form of a pipeline. So basically all your rows become cards, and then you can drag and drop across different categories. All of this information changes in the grid in real time. So for example, Star Lightning goes from negotiating to won. It will also reflect in the grid. There you go. So the same way, I can also, group this column by all the different types of grouping fields. So I can group it by all the single option fields and all the collaborator fields that's available. So if I want to see it by deal lead, so I can see the deals by the deal lead, and I can assign to somebody who has not gotten a deal yet. What I can also do, let's go back to the deal source or deal stage. I can also customize these cards. So if I want to hide a particular column name, I can easily hide it to show it, within the card. I can select a top cover image. So in this case, we don't have an attachment column, but once you do have an attachment column, you will essentially see an image cover on top of this card. I can hide and show columns that I want to basically look at, in the card. Right? And I can also see, add a footer collaborator column. So in this case, I want to see a footer collaborator by deal lead. So I will see there are collaborators. These are the collaborators on the deal. I can also filter these records the same way I filter in the grid. Say if I just want to see where reps contains Benny. So I will only see all the deals that Benny has. And I can add as many filters as I want. So based on, say for example, where deal source is website, so it just filters those records accordingly. So this is how you can create your own pipeline and use it for different purposes in Stackby. So not only see it in a table, but also create custom pipelines for your partnerships, for your sales, for anything that you can imagine. There are a few more things that I can do in Kanban. I can individually also open each of these cards into like detailed rows where I can still change and see the information, and it will automatically change it within the card as well. I can also add a new record. Say if I wanted to add a new deal, say Stackby, received it on this date, and here's the deal lead. So I will essentially see those new records being added. I can also collapse each of these panels and manage it accordingly, or even create a new category. So say proposal sent, and save this. So essentially it creates a new category panel. So it will automatically, you can assign to this particular panel, and in the deals table, you can see that the new category or the new tag has been created. So this is how you can manage multiple, pipelines of your table and visualize it, more effectively. So not only you can build your sales pipeline, you can also build your content pipeline or even your project pipeline. So the possibilities are endless.